Okay, if you go to Google and you type in Elementor how to, the number one suggestion is edit header. So there's at least some confusion on how to edit the header. And I'm going to be doing a series of videos based on the Google suggestions. And the first one is edit header. If you have Elementor Pro, you can easily make a header with the theme builder, and I'm sure there are plenty of videos out there on how to do that. I will leave a link in the video description if you want Elementor Pro. It's the way to go if you want to pay for something. You can create your whole theme using that. Plenty of resources out there on how to do that. But if you're using Elementor free, I'm going to show you two ways to create a header. The first way uses a plugin, so go to your dashboard and go to Plugins, Add New, type in Elementor space dash header comma footer, like this. Over 1 million installations made by the people that make the Astra theme. Install now. Activate. Go to Appearance, Header Footer Blocks. I'm going to create a new menu real quick, or a new header. So I select header, display on entire website. There's a ton of rules you can use. So you could do a transparent one, you could do for mobile, and then you could do like a colored one for desktop, you know, stuff like that. Give it a name. I'm going to just publish it first, and then I'm going to edit with Elementor. I'm going to do like a 2-column, and then search for logo. So you see this HFB, that stands for header footer blocks. So it gives you some widgets that you didn't previously have. This is the Pro widget here, and you see it's locked because I don't have Pro installed on this practice site. So I'll go with that. And then I'm going to put in a nav menu. If you use this WordPress nav menu, it doesn't look good and you can't really set it. So you want this one here, header footer blocks nav menu. And the first thing I'll do is get it to right align. Next, I will adjust the height so that it's vertically centered. So I hit the little column icon, the gray icon. Vertical align, middle. Okay. Next, I'm going to click the widget, edit style, change the color. So there's a ton of options here. I'm not going to get too much into it, but go ahead and feel free to adjust that. Hover color, hover effect. Let's see here. Okay, I do need to select which menu I use. So I click the widget, content, menu. You choose your menu here, and I will show you how to create a menu if you haven't created a menu for your WordPress theme. So I selected the header. Background color, select the section, style, background color, light gray. If you want to do a 2-row, go ahead and hit the plus sign. Maybe full width and social icons. Drag that in there. Hit the section again, style, background. Maybe use your, your theme color or whatever. So yeah, you can make this go away for mobile by clicking on the section and then going to advanced and going responsive. Hide on mobile. Make sure you check it on the different modes. You might have to make changes, but yeah, so that gets the header going. Let's update that. And now we are done with the initial header. See what it looks like on our site. Visit site. Okay, it worked. So if you need to know how to make a menu so that you can select it in that Elementor screen, you would go to Appearance, Menus, create a new menu. Use that link, and then we'll just call it Main. Then you create it. Once you've created your menu, you are now editing it, and you can add all your pages that you want, or a category. Let's say you had a page called Shop, add to menu, then it appears there. Cart, add to menu. So your pages, you can search for them, or you can just add them. Landing pages, category. So you get the idea. Save the menu, and then you would select this menu in that step where you need to put the nav menu. Select it. The one I chose was header 1 in the step, so you would just select this one. So that's the first way to make a header. The second way is to use a theme that allows you to create a header. And I made a video on using the Astra theme and using the header builder. And I will link that step in the video description. But basically, when I go here and I delete this that I just made, if you have the Astra theme installed by going to Appearance Themes and installing Astra, you can go to the Customizer under Appearance, Customize, and then you have this header builder. You get 3 rows in the video that I showed. We made this one here. I only used 2 of the 3 rows, but you can do transparent and regular for different types of mobile or desktop. So there's a lot of different options. So check out that video. If you don't want to use Elementor and you just want to this one's real easy to do. It doesn't take as much skill. You just click the plus and then you add the widget that you want to see. There's a search bar. And then, okay, so there's your search bar. So you just click the plus and add them to the spaces. So it's a little bit easier. And yeah, that's the second way. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. And also check out the ultimate resource list in the video description.